Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values for RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I'm taking the program in edit mode. And as usual, firstly, we are declaring three variables by referring the IBM official website. And after that, you can directly write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4. Now here we are supposed to pass two parameters. First one is the system value which you want to retrieve from the system. And second one is the variable where you want to hold it. Okay, now if you want to learn more about the system values, then you can press F1 here. So once you press F1, it will open a help screen for you, from where you will get the information regarding all the values of the system. So in short, this is the help window where you will find the all possible outcome of RTVSYSVAL command. So from here you will get the information and then you can simply use in your program. Okay. So these are the value that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So I'm directly taking you to that particular value that we are going to discuss today. So let me take you to that value. So yes, today we are going to discuss about this one, which is QTSEPOOL, which indicates whether interactive jobs should be moved to another main storage pool when they reach time/end. Changes made to the system value take effect for jobs started after the change is made. What are the possible values? Star none means jobs are not moved when the time slice end is reached. Star base means jobs are moved when time slice end is reached. Now the second possible value is QUPSDLYTIM, which means uninterruptible power supply delay time. Changes made to the system value take effect the next time there is a power failure. Possible outcome are star basic and star calc cause the license internal code LIC to assign specific value as the delay time. Second value is star no max, means the system value not start any action on its own. Another possible value is 0, means the system will power down automatically when system utility power fails. Then we have the range 1 to all 9, which means specify the delay time in seconds before the system powers down. And if you still want to refer more information regarding this value, then you can refer this IBM official website. Okay, now the next value we are going to discuss is QUPSMSGQ, which means message queue for uninterruptible power supply messages. Changes made to the system value take effect next time there is a power failure. So we got the information. Now we will hit enter and pass the value along with the variable where we want to hold the output, and then simply hit enter. Likewise, you can retrieve the other two values. So we are retrieving the other two values. So now we got the information. Now we will print it. So for printing, we will use sndpgmsg command. So just write sndpgmsg, and inside that we can pass the parameter which we want to print. Okay, likewise we are printing the other two values. So now we will do the save and exit and try to see the output. Now compilation is done. Now I'm calling it. First output is star none, second is all 0200, and third one is QCSOPR QSys. So this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command to retrieve the system value. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.